Did you ever think something as tough and humble as a coconut shell could be a superstar for your health? I was amazed when I found out just how many wellness secrets are hiding in this little powerhouse. Let's break down the top 5 health benefits of coconut shells that you definitely need to know. First up, natural detox with activated charcoal. When coconut shells are burned at high temperatures, they transform into activated charcoal, a superfine black powder that's famous for its detox powers. People use it in supplements to help support digestion and flush out toxins from the body. Its highly porous structure acts like a sponge, trapping chemicals and letting your body feel lighter and cleaner. Next, let's talk about oral health. Activated charcoal from coconut shells is now a superstar ingredient in natural toothpastes. It helps to naturally whiten teeth, lift stubborn stains, and tackle the bacteria that cause bad breath. If you've seen those trendy black toothpastes on social media, that's usually coconut shell charcoal doing its magic. On to skin exfoliation and cleansing. Coconut shell powder is often found in scrubs and face masks. It's a gentle but effective way to exfoliate dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal smoother, more radiant skin without any harsh chemicals. I love how it feels. Just a natural, grainy texture that leaves your skin feeling fresh and renewed. Now here's something you might not know. Coconut shells have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Recent studies show that coconut shell-based products can fight harmful microbes. That's why you'll find coconut shell extracts in some natural remedies and soaps. So, you're not just cleaning your skin, you're also protecting it from unwanted germs. Finally, let's talk about eco-friendly wellness. Coconut shell-based products are having a real moment. From detox soaps to health drinks filtered with coconut carbon, these options let us care for our health without harming the planet. When I choose coconut shell-based wellness products, I know I'm making a healthier choice for myself and for the environment. So next time you crack open a coconut, remember, the shell isn't just waste, it's a gold mine for your health and wellness journey. Pretty incredible, right? Let me know if you've tried any coconut shell-based products, or if you're curious to start. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips.